trinkt hier sowas von gleich aus.
Hey! Yo! It's me! Callisto! Oh, wow. That was a pun. Today I want to show you how I make my witchical bath. And before I talk more shit, I will just start the video. So the first things you will be needing are some essential oils. I'm using lemongrass and lavender again, like always. Some bath bombs. I will use a rose bath bomb. A crystal. I'm using a normal quartz crystal. And some tea bags. I used 2, but you can use whatever you want. And of course you need a cat. A cute little fluffy puffy kitty cat. No, he's so precious. What a little baby. Okay. So the first thing you want to do is fill your bath with hot water. I prefer having hot water first because it gets cold very fast, I think. So yeah, my empty bath and my half-filled bath. And this was super cold, so don't use cold water. And next you're gonna throw your kitty in the water.
Ich bin ein bisschen nass, mein Gott. Ja, mach hier ruhig alles nass. Kümmere dich nicht. Ach, du hast es alle aufgenommen. Scheiß drauf, ich tropfe alles voll.
Now we're coming to the really fun part. Put your essential oils in your bath and please do not use as much as I did. I used way too much and it hurt my skin and my little wounds from the cats, and whoa, do not use that much. A few drops will be enough, like 5 to 7 each. Yeah, don't use that much. And of course I used a little more of lavender because I love it. So I would prefer using 5 of the lemongrass and 7 of the lavender. Next, the teas. I used the maple tea just because of the things inside. Yeah, hibiscus and not the other things. I'm so stupid. It's because of the herbs. You want them in your bath, and so you don't throw herbs in it. And next is some sage tea. Sage is always good. Sage is good for everything in witchcraft. For your house, for your skin, for you. Just use it. It's amazing. But it's a little itchy on the skin. So yeah. You just want to leave them for about 3 to 4 minutes in the warm water. That will definitely be enough. And lastly is a bath bomb, and I used these for the first times. And oh my god, that was such a disappointment. And the quartz crystal will be the last thing we're gonna using. But I like to use it when I'm already in the bath. See, where are those tea bags? They won't give any color or anything. It's just because of the herbs. And last but not least, oh my god, just put your crystal in the water. Like I said, I like it to put the crystal in the water when I'm already in the bath, and it will clean you. It will give you the crystal's energies. Like, I'm using a normal quartz crystal, it cleans me. When I bath other times, I use amethyst to reduce stress, to reduce anxiety and depression. And yeah, you can use whatever you want, but check first if you can put them in the water. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and bye.